fuck, I got smoke in my eye. Oh, and I got the smoky lens, huh? Still cleaning lenses. Well, besides that, besides making the meatloaf burger today for dinner, because of all that's been going on with the developers and all these half-ass games and all these microtransactions, I didn't even consider getting a new console because I'm just not really liking the games that are coming out right now. So I went and I invested in something else, something a little bit more fun, something that I thought I would never have myself. I went and I got the Oculus. Let's go check it out. Here we have the family first. Check them out. No! They're still alive. And here it is, the Oculus Quest 2.
Here, let me turn this off, no?
Oh yeah, you have to turn that off. So let's re-enter again. So anyway, we're here. I'm not even gonna show you my family because it would be fake at this point. We're not rehearsing what we're saying and doing here, Dea.
We'll do it live.
Okay. Well, no.
We'll do it live! Fuck it!
Get me to start acting here. I already have enough trouble smoking. Anyway, here it is, guys. The Oculus Quest 2. I'm escaping my family. Bye, guys. I'll see you whenever this stops having battery. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys, and then I'm gonna play around for a bit. And then once I get the hang of it and how it works, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to the family. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what's how this episode's gonna turn out because I've never had one. The girls have never tried it, and I hear that it's a good time. So give me a second. Let me set up. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm very excited. So I'll give you the whole 360 of the box. You know, this is the front, sides, some of the games you get for it. I don't know what that is for. The bottom, and that's about it, right? It does come with this little tab right here, and I think this helps you take out this plastic for it. It pretty much just to pull along going this way. So let's try it out. Oh, fancy. Oh, okay. So let's see if you can keep it going all the way around. Oh no, I fucked it up.
You fucked it up! You fucked it up!
Oculus Quest. Ooh, put that aside. This is a sticker for me? No. So this is what comes outside, okay guys? Let's open it up together. Whoa. Would you look at that? You got your two controllers and your headset. And this little box right here. I'm guessing it's the wire to charge, right? Okay, it opens up like this. Hopefully this is the sticker. Damn. Is this the sticker? No. Oh man, I don't think we're gonna get a sticker with this. So you guys, we got the guides, the manual, the safety warranty reference guide. We'll keep that out just in case we need it. We'll put this back into the box and the USB cable and charger. Cool. So we'll put that in the box meanwhile until we need it. We don't lose any of this. Put that aside. This is the first time I ever hold one of these controls. I've seen them before at like arcades, but I've never got my hands on them. And it feels pretty cool. Can't wait to try it out. I don't know if this does anything, but we're gonna find out today. And then the headset itself. And some glasses spacers, but I do not wear glasses. Okay, so it says, right, so the first thing is to pull the tabs out of the controls. These tabs are on the bottom. The second thing, it says to power it on. Just take this thing off of it. That's trash. It feels kind of like it's heavy on the front side of it. I don't know how that's gonna feel on my head. Hopefully the straps are strong enough to keep it in place. Being in the Marine Corps, we got night optics, and they strapped to your Kevlar, and they made them feel really awkward, but it was pretty cool using them. I like the night vision. This is the next step is to move the lens left or right to fit clearest to find the clearest view. All right, so let's do that. Let's take this things off. Something I did find out while researching, you don't want to use your Oculus outside in direct sunlight because it will burn your lenses. So I don't want to fuck that up. So let's go ahead and turn it on. They're pressing the button over here. It says to press for 2 seconds. Oh, there, it turned on. Whoa. Okay, I think I need to go in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm putting this on, guys. I'm gonna set this up and fuck around for a little bit. I have 37 minutes before the meatloaf burger is done. And hopefully by then I already have it set up with the game inside. And I'll let you guys know what I think. But just putting it on my face, it feels pretty fucking amazing. I feel like I'm using, I'm flying in Disney's Soarin' over California. I don't know, that was a long time ago, but yeah, it feels like something like that. Pretty fucking amazing. I'll see you guys in a bit. Or maybe I'll get stuck in the virtual world, who knows? Goodbye.
48 hours later.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and test this Oculus. I'm gonna go ahead and record a little bit of the gameplay, and then you guys are gonna see my reactions here. So here we go. Since you can't see, you kind of have to go around by feel. I don't know if I mentioned this. I'm gonna go ahead and record inside the Oculus and then export to the computer and do my editing that way to see how it works. So at the same time, I'm still testing this out. And this is what it looks like inside of here, guys. Let me just show you right away. And here it is. We're gonna be playing a game called First Steps. It's a pretty fun game. It's just to get you into the controllers and how to use them and how to, you know, interact with the world around you. Well, look at this. And now I'll sit back here. Still catch me here. Yeah, that's good. Let me fix this first and fast. Alright. So here it is, guys. This is VR. Look at all this. Little fucking metro passing by over here. A little ferry right there. Ooh. Look at this. And big old Oculus symbol right in front of us.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers.
It's a big ass table
now,
here next to
try
me.
pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs.
These are the glowing buttons right here.
Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons. Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do. To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you. To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release the grip
Honestly,
button
this
to
is
drop it.
fun, guys. This is funner than I
Your
look.
virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Let's try this ping pong. Oh, it escaped me. Here it comes out. It is. Yeah. Check these rockets out. So you grab it with your hand, right? Bye-bye. Look, it could make a comeback right now, watch. Let's get the other one. Get the other one. Catch it. This is fucking cool, guys. No, you don't. Okay, last thing I guess we get to do is let's play with this splint here. And there's a joystick in here. Look at that. Let's crash it into this tower that I made. Boom! Oh, not enough power, you weakling.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
Okay, let's try one of these games out. I'm gonna try the shooting game. This is our desk here, our shooting desk. Go ahead and try one gun here. Oh, shut burn. Shit, new high score. Let's go with 2 guns now. Because you have 2 guns doesn't mean you're more accurate, as you can see. I did worse with the double guns. Okay, let's go with the. This is like a submachine gun or something. And that was a high score. Alright, let's get out of this game. Check another one out. Alright, let's see.
When you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into the console.
Let's check out this one. This one's kind of cute. This is, I think if the girls could try this out, I think they would like this one. The reason they haven't tried it out yet is because I don't think they're ready for something like this yet. Maybe they are, but I just don't want to let them borrow it because it will break it. So this is a cute game right here. Oh, I should go with the first one, right? That one. Oh, the table's right here. Forgot about that. Didn't get too carried away here. I know you. We partied last time. What's up, dude? Hey, hi. not dance with you again. It's a dance move Iris taught me. Iris no gang moves. That's it. That's it. I am not dancing with you again though. Maybe next time, dude. No more.
When you're ready to leave this tutorial, insert the exit cartridge.
And that will be this one right here. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out here and playing this small tutorial on how to use the VR headset. As you can tell, just by the game it comes with, it's pretty fun. I have other games that I have already bought. Let me show you right here. We have Pistol Whip, which is very fun. It makes you feel like you're Keanu Reeves. And then the next game that we also have is The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. And this is supposed to be like a horror type of adventure survival game. I'm very excited to play this, so stay tuned for that because this is going to be very fun to play, and at least, you know, watch me scream. And so that was going to be good content. And then eventually, hopefully, I get Dea to come and play some Pistol Whip with me, and you guys can laugh at us while we, you know, dodge and shoot our way through 2089. And thank you for hanging out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out here with me in the virtual space. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. Bye. See ya.